Hey, what's happening YouTube? This is your boy Luis right here. In today's episode, we're going to go ahead and just take a quick look at the new Snipping Sketch Tool right here on Windows 11. Okay, so first things first, right away, go ahead and click your start button right there. And then right here in your search bar, go ahead and type in the word snip, okay? There you go. So right here, you automatically get the option right here. Go ahead and execute your Snipping Sketch Tool. Right here, you also get the option to go ahead and execute the traditional snipping tool, but we're going to go ahead and concentrate on this one. Okay, so go ahead and double click right there. There you go. Automatically you get the option to go ahead and take a screenshot. Right here you get the option to go ahead and delay your screenshot by 3 or 10 seconds. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and right away just take a nice one right here. So you just drag it, you let go, that's it. Okay, right here you can go ahead and take a new one. This is your undo button right there, and this is your redo right here. Right here you get the couple more tools like writing tools, like you get a pen, you get a pencil, and you get a highlighter as well, your eraser, you get a ruler. That's a new feature right here. I'm just gonna go ahead and show you the way that works really quick. So you get a ruler right here, and you also get a protractor. Okay, so that way you can draw perfect circles. Okay, so there you go. So that's definitely a new option right here. And then right here you get your zoom in and out. You can save it, copy it, or share your screenshot. All right, so and right here you get your cropping tool, so you can just definitely take a screenshot of the screenshot. Okay, there you go. So just want to go ahead and kind of go through the basic features of this new Snipping Sketch Tool right here. So it's definitely a great tool. It's free. You don't have to download anything. It's already built in your new operating system, Windows 11. Okay, so that's gonna do it for this video right here. Thanks a lot for watching. Please like and subscribe. See you here shortly in another tutorial.